Hey chickies, thanks for hanging out for a few minutes today. We're going to be unboxing and also trying on the March BoxyCharm. Inside you're guaranteed 5 full-size items. So I hope you'll join me for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. So today we're going to be unboxing and also, per your request, trying on the items in our March BoxyCharm. So inside you are guaranteed 5 full-size items for $25 a month. Now this was sent to me for reviewing purposes, but as you guys know, here on my channel, regardless if I purchased it with my own money or if it was sent to me, I always give you my honest opinion. Just a little heads up, I did take a peek at what items were in the box because I wanted to make sure we would be able to create a look using the items in here. Let's go ahead and open the box and there we go. I love how they put all this foam padding. So this is a postcard in the box which tells about all the items, also gives the retail value. The very first thing we're gonna grab is from the brand Murad, and this is the Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. A blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin, and the retail value is $70. So right off the bat, yes, this definitely already fulfills the whole entire box. I always hear such great things about Murad. This is from the brand Spongel. Spongel's unique body wash infused buffers change instantly underwater as you squeeze. From a central exfoliating massage texture to as soft as silk, our patented technology provides a guaranteed number of 14 plus washes, and this retails for $16. You know what, I have tried one of these a long time ago. Oh, wow, that is very fragrant. I definitely will have to try this out. From the brand Pharmacy. This is a limited edition, very cherry clean makeup melt away cleansing balm. And this is actually made exclusively for Boxycharm. You can't actually find the details about this on the postcard because I was supposed to actually receive another item. I don't know if they ran out of the other item or if maybe this one just got kind of switched around. Let me smell this because I'm just not a fan of the cherry scent in general. Ooh, I don't know, it smells like medicine to me. I have tried some balms before, and to be honest with you, I just really wasn't a fan. It seemed like it took forever just for the balm to actually remove off of my face. Let's move on to the next item, and we have here from the brand Becca. All right, this is called the Glow Gloss, and we have the shade Rose Gold. Ooh, that is pretty. Illuminate your lips with a luxe conditioning lip color that combines the shine of a gloss and nourishing benefits of a balm. 3D light reflecting pigment ingredients instantly make lips look fuller and smoother, and this retails for $22. Okay. Has a minty scent to it. Ooh. Wow. That is very pretty, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. Okay, cool. Very happy that was in my box. We actually have a palette. This exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth texture for a transitional day to night look, and this retails for $39. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Swatch Cup of Joe, spoiler, and a little bit of exclusives. All right, okay. Try out the palette as well as the gloss, see how they perform, and then I'll be back for my final thoughts on the March BoxyCharm. I already also prepped my eyes with some concealer, set it with some powder, so we can just go ahead and start using the palette. Let's first start with the shade Spoiler. It looks like it's a matte. Okay, let's kind of just work this right into this socket area. I don't know, let's not use this brush. You do get some kick up, but it's never like a problem to me if it has kick up or not. Just to be on the safe side, let's just apply some powder underneath so that we can kick it off. Let's actually go in with this beautiful warm tone brown. It's also a matte, but I want to work this right into the socket area. We're just gonna layer our shadows. These are blending so well. Did notice with Cup of Joe, you don't get as much kick up as Spoiler. Wow. Oh my gosh, this shadow called Swipe Up. Look at this. That is beautiful. I think for the lid, we're just gonna go in with the shimmer shadow called Exclusive with a flat brush. And let's see how this works on its own. That is beautiful. This already on its own looks really good, but I really want to use a bit of Swipe Up. Place this like right on the center of the lid for like a little pop. So I'm hoping I'm not going to make a mistake with this. I think it will still look very pretty. I think that works, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes, mascara, liner, and I'll be right back. Just kick off whatever powder we laid down earlier. I want to go in with Luxe, which is this really beautiful gold shadow, and I want to pop this in the inner eye corners. I'm gonna go in with a mixture of Spoiler and Cup of Joe, and we're just gonna drag this along the lower lash line. Now I haven't applied any mascara to my bottom lash line. Then lastly, let's go in with the Becca Rose Gold Lip Gloss. Ooh, that's pretty. This is the look I curated using the Hello Charmer eyeshadow palette and also the Becca gloss in rose gold. Let me just say that I was very surprised with this eyeshadow palette, how pigmented, how well these shadows blended. I'm definitely going to be playing around with the other side of the palette. I mean, these shadows right here, blown away. This lip gloss from Becca definitely does not disappoint. I think it pairs perfectly with this palette. It has a little bit of stickiness when you first apply it, but now it's not as sticky. It has a little bit of a minty flavor, but it did dissipate quite quickly. Let's recap everything before I keep talking. The Sponge Gel French Lavender Beyond Cleanse Body Wash Infused Buffer. Have used one of these before and I did like them. Really curious about this scent. Since it is quite fragrant, overall I'm still very happy it was in my box. Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Really happy this was in my box because the value, $70, I think is incredible. I'm almost out of my current under eye cream, so I'm really excited to try this out and will definitely let you know how this works for me. The one that I was disappointed with, the Pharmacy, the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Multi-Way Cleansing Balm, just because I haven't been very successful when it comes to cleansing balms. They just don't really work with me. And then I looked at the postcard and I think I was supposed to receive the KVD Vegan Beauty Anti-Precision Eyeliner. To be honest with you, I would have rather received the eyeliner than this product. Overall, for $25, I am very happy with these 4 items. 4 out of 5 is definitely, I mean, it's a win-win in my book. So I'm really curious to know what was in your March BoxyCharm. Did we receive the same items or did we get completely different things? What did you think of the look I created today using the Hello Charmer eyeshadow palette? Do you like seeing like a try-on style type of video, or do you just prefer like a straight out unboxing? Hope you enjoyed hanging out today and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing day and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.